Today we're going to be working on the bug eye that's been in my garage for a few months. I've already got the majority of stuff pulled off, and I'll show you a time lapse of that. But today I'm hoping that we can pull the engine because we need the transmission out of this for Sean. Sean is going to come over here and help me out. If you don't remember him, he's the one who has literally the same car as me, that 2004 STI over there. His is a 2005 WRX, but it's basically an STI at this point, it just has a 5-speed. He's going to help me pull the engine and trans out of this Subaru today, and hopefully it doesn't take too long.
Now your exhaust shouldn't take too long, should it, Deacon?
Yeah, exhaust for the R32?
Yeah.
Shouldn't be that bad.
Yeah, it's definitely free.
Alright, we are 100% disconnected, maybe?
Possibly. Yes, no, maybe so.
You're 100% sure you got all nuts, bolts out?
The tranny should be. Thank you.
Ready?
Jack up.
Yeah, just a little bit. Here, hold.
Jack up a little more, Keegan.
Actually come down a little bit on the jack. Hold right there.
We should be.
Hold. I think we hit a goose. There it is. Up. Got off all the way. Hey, was this supposed to be a fancy clutch or anything?
I don't know. I haven't looked at it.
Ooh, top spotted.
That's
Yeah, this disc is brand new. That's a brand new clutch. But do we know it's actually blown up?
No.
No. We just bought it for parts.
Really?
I mean, I get that, but this has got a new timing kit on it. It's got a new clutch.
Okay, so did the Sonic Yellow.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Did this one too?
That was different. The guy
That's what I
knew
was-
it was.
Does
The
it still
kid,
have-
the kid we bought this from speculated it was blown.
Did-
That's what I was saying.
Plugs?
Did like maybe this one was like jump time like the last one?
Well, we need to check plugs too. That'll tell us.
That one is too. He's following everything we do.
We want to lower that down a little bit so.
We will in just a moment. Yeah, for some reason the WRX, a few of the WRXs were top view.
That looks good too.
That's right.
So these have.
And you might see,
Spark plugs are
because
good.
our injectors are just, our wires are just supposed to plug right into these. I think these are adapters.
Do you have anything that'll fit this crank pulley?
It's fucking good, dude.
I mean, it's a little tough in some spots. Did you record the white one when you fired it up? You know, after
That's the one thing I got.
I never recorded the white one.
Oh. All right. Well, viewers really didn't get to see it except outside. He had a white one not too long ago. Bought it for dirt cheap because it did not run. Possible blown up.
Blown head gasket.
Possible blown head gasket. Put a battery in it. Fired right up. Ran like kind of bad.
Hit or miss.
Threw some plugs in it.
Instantly, it was just right.
Also, it also ran a little kind of bleh, but it was on what 5-6-year-old gas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You buy a car that you don't know anything about. Turn the crank over. If it spins free, throw a battery in it. See if it fires up. Because it's probably good. And then you don't have to do this.
Well, I mean, I started the pulling apart. I took the turbo off, the downpipe off. I needed parts for the yellow.
Wasn't this a big turbo too?
It's the BPT turbo.
That's right.
That's what eventually is.
BPT, IAG, TGV.
I think it's going to be it for this part of the video. I'm probably going to turn it into 2 parts because if I included the transmission stuff, it would make it a very, very, very long video. And I don't want to do that to you guys. So we had a lot of fun working on it. A lot of issues came up. And as you saw at the end of it, we probably learned that the engine is not bad. It has a dented oil pan, so the whole oil pan would need to be replaced. We'd probably have to check bearings and stuff like that. But I'm just going to give that to my brother. He has a Subaru Legacy, and we're probably just going to WRX swap that into the future. So that'll be more content for the channel, which is awesome. Hopefully nothing is wrong with that engine, seriously. From what we can tell, spark plugs look good, the crank is turning just fine, and whenever I got my Sonic Yellow Subaru, the crank was not turning at all. I mean, it turned a little bit and then it would stop because I had chunks of my piston and chunks of my spark plug inside of the engine itself. So this one's not like that. This one seems like it's good, and that's why my brother made the comment to check your stuff before you start pulling things. I just decided to pull parts off of it because I needed it, and also I wanted to do an LS swap to the Subaru or a 2JZ swap to the Subaru. Don't know if that's going to happen because those are 2 very expensive engines to get, and I don't know when that'll happen, but I do have plans to do an engine swap on it, and I don't want to have another EJ. I'm tired of Subaru engines. I think they're fun, I think they're cool, and they sound amazing, but I am just tired of it. That's why I'm working on my Nissan Skyline, but I also ran into issues with it too. I was trying to put my new exhaust on, and that's gonna be a while, but I did get my new turbo in, and that's exciting. So I've got a new turbo, top mount turbo manifold, and then a titanium exhaust, and I've got new wheels, and then I need to get a whole lot of other stuff. So the Skyline's gonna be down for a little bit, but also it's gonna be great for content. So stay tuned for that in the future whenever I get all the stuff in. I'm really excited for it, but that's enough talking. I've talked for way too long. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Stay tuned for part 2, and I hope you guys enjoy that one as well. We ran into a lot of issues on the transmission, and I mean a lot, so yeah. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Stay awesome, guys.
While you have it, buy some AIG TGV deletes and fucking
What you just
That was
I
a
don't
lot
know.
of alphabet. You want to try that again?
IAG TGV deletes. Woo!
There we go. I'm a mechanic. I keep tools everywhere.
Go slow.
I'm literally going slow.
Okay, not that slow. You can go a little faster.
I almost dumped it.
Okay.
I literally almost did it. I felt the nerves go down my arm and I stopped. I was like, no.